Does Wealthsimple have a bank account? Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be answering the question that many of you have been asking. Does Wealthsimple have a bank account? Before I get into the answer, I want to take a moment to talk about what Wealthsimple is. Wealthsimple is a Canadian financial technology company that offers a variety of investment products and services, including tax-free savings accounts, TFSA, registered retirement savings plans, RRSPs, and global ETFs. So, does Wealthsimple have a bank account? The answer is no, Wealthsimple does not have a bank account. Wealthsimple is not a bank, but rather an investment company. This means that Wealthsimple does not offer traditional banking services, such as checking accounts, savings accounts, or loans. What does Wealthsimple offer? So, what does Wealthsimple offer? As I mentioned earlier, Wealthsimple offers a variety of investment products and services. Here are some of the most popular options. TFSA, a tax-free savings account that allows you to save money for retirement or other goals. RRSP, a registered retirement savings plan that allows you to save money for retirement on a tax-deferred basis. Global ETFs, exchange-traded funds that invest in a variety of assets, such as stocks, bonds, and commodities. How does Wealthsimple work? Wealthsimple is a very user-friendly platform. To get started, you simply need to create an account and provide some basic information about yourself. Once you've done that, you can start investing by choosing the products and services that are right for you. Wealthsimple also offers a number of features that make it easy to manage your investments. For example, you can track your portfolio performance in real time, set up automatic deposits, and get personalized advice from a financial advisor. Is Wealthsimple right for you? Wealthsimple is a great option for people who are looking for a simple and affordable way to invest their money. Wealthsimple's fees are generally lower than those of traditional banks and investment firms. However, Wealthsimple is not for everyone. If you are looking for a bank that offers a full range of banking services, then Wealthsimple is not the right. So, does Wealthsimple have a bank account? No, Wealthsimple does not have a bank account. Wealthsimple is an investment company that offers a variety of investment products and services. If you are looking for a simple and affordable way to invest your money, then Wealthsimple is a great option. However, if you are looking for a bank that offers a full range of banking services, then Wealthsimple is not the right choice for you. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. And if you're interested in learning more about Wealthsimple, I encourage you to visit their website. Thanks for watching. Additional information. Wealthsimple is a member of the Investment Industry Regulatory Organization of Canada, IIROC. Wealthsimple is insured by the Canadian Deposit Insurance Corporation, CDIC. Wealthsimple offers a variety of educational resources to help you learn more about investing. I hope this additional information is helpful. Thanks for watching.